Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. I wanted to give you guys a quick reminder that my online courses will be launching this Monday, August the 28th. The courses will be available on my website, which is crystalcoastoriginals.com. I'm currently launching 2 courses and I will be doing more in the future, but for now I wanted to let you guys know a little bit more about the courses that will be launching on August the 28th. The first course is a Basic Principles of Fluid Art course. I'm going to show you guys how I do a flip cup and a basic Dutch pour. I'm going to show you guys the materials that you will need, the calculations and formulas, and I'll be doing an example of a flip cup and a Dutch pour. The second course that will be available is the Gradient Circle Background Dutch Pour technique. I'm going to show you guys the materials needed for this technique. We're also going to do step-by-step instructions on how to create a gradient with brushes. I'll also be showing you formulas and calculations for the transparent base and the blow colors. And finally, I'll show you guys how to lay the transparent base on the canvas and blow out the blow colors with a hairdryer. You will also be receiving downloadable handouts and charts for each of the courses. The price for the Basic Principles of Fluid Art course is $9.99. With the Gradient Dutch Pour course, you will be receiving the Basics course for free. As a thank you for all the support, I will be running a special for the Gradient Dutch Pour course for the first week only. That special price is $19.99. On September the 4th, the price will go back up to $39.99. If you guys have any questions about the online courses, feel free to leave them in the comments below, or you can always email me at crystalcoastoriginals@gmail.com. All right, so now for the painting you guys are going to see in the video. It is a swipe and spin. It is this guy right here. I'm really liking how this turned out, you guys. It's on a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and I think I like it better this orientation. So I used the nickel azo gold that I've been using a lot lately, and I also added some pinks as well as some more gold. So the formula as well as the colors will be listed in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.